Here we are, the third and final video in the Intern Hustle's three-part series on internship goals. And what I'm teaching in this video is important. How do you maximize your internship after it's over? Like, really get the most out of the experience and turn it into the gift that keeps on giving. Just like the last two videos in this series, I'm sharing some example goals that you can set to make sure that you're not dropping the ball and leaving some awesome future opportunities on the table. I will link the last two videos up here and in the description below. Make sure that you check them out so that you're in the loop on all things internship goals. Hey there, I'm Jenna Ryan from the internhustle.com, and this is Initiative Muscle Monday, helping you to start each week with an intentional step toward a successful future. Let's do this. Once again, a quick reminder about how to create your internship goals. Make your goals measurable. You want to quantify them and give them a target completion date. Write down your goals. This is to bring more awareness to them and make them easier to revisit as you go. And you also want to share your goals with people that you trust for accountability. So if you get off track, make sure that you have someone that's an accountability partner that helps you get back on track. Okay, so you got the internship and you completed it. Check the box and you're done, right? Wrong. You're just getting started. Now is the time to max out on the experience that you had at your internship and, more importantly, the relationships that you built along the way. Now is the time to look to how you can convert that into even more opportunities. Keep the internship working in your favor well into your future, because you put a lot of hard work into getting this internship, and then hopefully you worked hard once you're there. So don't waste all that hard work. Let's keep that momentum going. Here are 3 examples for post-internship goals that you can set. First thing that you should do before your memories are just too far gone and you can't remember all the great work that you did at your internship, update your resume. It's so important that I believe you should dedicate a goal to it. Remember, writing down your goal and giving yourself a measurable way to track it will help to ensure that you actually do it. So a goal to set for this would be update resume with internship experience, including all measurable accomplishments, no later than 1 week after the final day of my internship. Again, why wait on this? The earlier that you do it, the easier it's going to be. And if you fail to update your resume in a timely manner, you're going to be kicking yourself later when it comes time to apply for your next opportunity, and you can't remember all of the details of the great things that you've accomplished. So just get it done. Another thing I coach students on is the importance of getting references and recommendation letters. In fact, I have a whole lesson on how to gather these important pieces of your brand in my online program called The Course. And if you're interested in learning more about that, you can watch the video trailer that I will link up here, and you can also check out the link in the description below. This course is a great way to maximize your whole internship experience, so I definitely encourage you to check it out and learn more. But like I said, there's a lot that goes into getting references and recommendations. And so for the purpose of this video, we're just going to focus on a small piece of it: LinkedIn recommendations. A goal you can set for this is ask a minimum of 2 colleagues for recommendations on LinkedIn. Now, did you know that LinkedIn recommendations are a thing? Yeah, and they're a great way to showcase your positive impact on an organization. I teach you all about them in my free LinkedIn training, and I will share a link to that in the description below. I definitely encourage you to sign up to learn more. And finally, a question that I am asked a lot by students is, how should I keep in touch with professional contacts that I make during an internship? Now, I love that this is a common question because it means that people are thinking about things in the right way. Because again, relationships are everything, and it's important that you nurture the relationships that you build during your internship. An example of a goal to set for this would be connect with your supervisor and other strong professional contacts made during the internship once per quarter. Once per quarter is key here because you want to stay on their radar. But there's a right and a wrong way to do this, and I have a video with all of the right tips, and it coaches you on exactly what you should be doing to achieve this goal, and I'll link to that up here and in the description below. But you should check it out because it's got all of the things that you need so that you can arm yourself with the right actions to take in order to keep in touch with your professional contacts. That's a wrap on the Intern Hustle's Internship Goals video series. I would love to hear your biggest takeaways and what you found most helpful. So please leave your thoughts and insights in the comments below. And with all of these internship goals, just don't forget to track your progress and celebrate your wins along the way, because that positive reinforcement is going to help you get through the more challenging times. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend or two. And subscribe to this channel to stay in the loop and get all of the tips on how to live your best internship life and take control of your future. In support of your hustle, thanks for watching.